Minecraft version 1.18 Caves and Cliffs Part 2 was just released, adding 64 more levels to the top and bottom of the world, and tons of new content. But what happens if you bring in your old world? Do these new caves and cliffs generate around your current structures? To test this, I created a new world and mapped out a small cave system with some torches. Took note of the surrounding area, and marked out a couple more caves nearby just for good measure. I also dug out a small cave at bedrock to see how it changes after updating. Upon loading your old save, it takes a moment to regenerate the new parts of the world. After loading, you can see the caves that I explored remained untouched, with no new tunnels connecting to them. The surface also had no changes to it. The cave had bedrock changed to deep slate, but no other changes occurred. Dissatisfied with this, I created a second world and mapped out much further, making sure to extend torches all the way down to the lava pools near the bedrock. And this is where I got the definitive answer. Once again, everything was completely untouched, and remained the same as it was before, aside from the tunnels at the new deeper areas. Down at the old bedrock level, you can see a distinct gap separating the old world on top and the new updated tunnels below. They don't connect anywhere to the old tunnels. I flew off in a random direction to load some brand new chunks that had not been loaded before, and only then did I start to see new tunnels and caves appear, spanning beyond the old bedrock gap. This means that in your old world, there won't be any of the 1.18 tunnels or mountains in previously created chunks. They only spawn in brand new ones. One last curiosity, I placed bedrock in creative mode on the surface, and also made a tower extending down to the bottom. I wanted to see what parts, if any, would turn into deep slate. After loading into 1.18, all the bedrock on the surface remained the same. However, a couple of my own blocks placed between layers 0 to 3 got turned into deep slate. So any bedrock within this range changes, even when placed in creative mode.